Folks, come on over. We're doing another small fall table for your enjoyment right here on my take on home and garden. Well, folks, thanks for coming by today. We've got another small 5-seater table for you in the fall flavors. Let's get going on that table. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use in it today. Okay, folks, here's our beautiful tablecloth for our table today. 100% cotton in a pattern now. Really sweet. With maple leaves, tans and cocoa to pick up those fall colors. Now I'll use a center medallion in the table, and here's my choice of chargers for today. Look at this beautiful burnt orange, kind of bronze, real thick glass chargers from our old pal Pier 1 Imports back in the day. We're gonna have an acanthus leaf vase for our arrangement. We'll have some accent pumpkins and leaves. I've got to go with the wheat colored napkins again, 100% cotton. Our gold flatware for the elegance. What else have we got? We've got little individual maple leaf serving dishes, which I'm going to use for pistachio nuts. Could be mince or could be a fancy little cookie. Our dinner plate today is the clear crystal plate with the starburst center. Wonderful. Because I don't want to take away from our charger, the tablecloth, or our dessert plate is the highlight today. Made in Bavaria, these wonderful plates by E&R of Bavaria in the harvest motif. Look at this dandy. Oh. Right for fall. Maple leaves, grapes, and walnuts. Bob, you're just in time for this table for sending the wonderful lusterware fruit bowl. We have a couple of Manhattans. And when do we get to use our fabulous vintage pheasant glasses? But in the fall, right here. Vintage from the 50s. Too sweet. Then made in USA by McCoy Pottery. Could you get anything closer to match? Now we're going to have salt and peppers by HK of Bavaria, and cream and sugar in the fruit motif by Royal Bavaria. Then I'm thinking we need some crystal votives from Czech Republic and a sweet early sugar bowl by Royal Rudolstadt of Germany. This is Prussian, right on the turn of the century. Then back to Bavaria, we've got a wonderful reticulated serving dish. And now, guys, we're gonna have to get on building this table for you. Let's get that centerpiece going. I'm gonna use a center medallion today. Nicely centered there. Let's take this wonderful acanthus leaf vase. It's a little bit of country feel to this one. We've got our painted fern in the fall colors, a little bit of cypress. We're not going to leave anything out for this last fall table. How about some wonderful acorns? I want to get that lavender touch in there as well. And we've got all our fabulous grains, some barley stem here with some violet globe flowers. We can get everything up above now. And I just thought this one pick with a little bitty pumpkin in there is gonna just about do us right. Oatmeal colored baby's breath and some golden too. And last, how about a little branch of hops right there. Cute as can be and not overdone. Look how pretty all those colors are coming out. Now to go with our centerpiece, why I played that down a bit is I'm gonna play up the base, if you will. Okay, so we got and sweet pumpkins, and let's watch these leaves turn this tablecloth into almost a three-dimensional wonder. All right, we'll look at that. Gonna build this table.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in.
My goodness. Folks, I'm gonna have to take you now and show you all around. Now we've got fall colors, that's for sure. Creams and cocoa, rusty orange. Where you gonna go, guys? Grapes and walnuts, all the things that speak fall. Fall's about the harvest. Fall's about fruit and vegetables and a nice cozy meal with your family. I might just be ready for a little white wine after this one. A happy fall, y'all, and we'll see you soon. Stay for my ending. Folks, thanks for coming by. Hopefully you enjoyed our last small fall table for fall. Be good, everybody. And we'll see you in the next amazing. Hey, don't forget, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a buddy over. And we're gonna see you in the next amazing. Beautiful, elegant, and sophisticated decorator, collector, and cooking with me video. Ciao. Au revoir, chérie.